Hey everybody, it's Strong Life. It is too windy today. The sun is out, it's a good day, but it's too windy to fly today. So we're gonna go across the street here to this car show. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Alright, so here we are across the street now at the car show. This is a nice Nova Custom. This thing is orange in color. Got some white wall wheels on it, as you can see. It is missing a bumper, but it's still a nice car. This is when the fuel tanks was behind the license plate. I remember those cars. I used to have a car that was like that. Yeah, so that's a nice orange Nova. Go here and look at some of these other cars here. Here's another nice car here. Got some nice aluminum wheels on it. Back up a little way so you can see. Uh-oh, it's got a regular factory rim on this side. And it's got a, look like it might have been aluminum, somebody painted it white, but it could be just the way it was made. Might still paint it white. So that's another nice car here at the car show. Well, this wind sure is kicking it up. Oh, here's a good Camaro right here. Boy, that's a pretty car there. Pretty Camaro there. Here's our next car here at the car show. Wow, check out that motor. That sucker's jammed up. That's one nice motor in this thing. I know this car will run, buddy. Yeah, that's nice there. That's a couple more cars we can sit here and look at. Let's go here to this one right here. This looks like a 57 Chevy Bel Air. Nice red in color. Yeah, that sucker's nice there. The thing I like about these old cars right here is that if you look at them, they had lots of nice big space in them, you know. You could get, you know, several chubby girls up in this thing with you. Yeah, that's plenty of room there. 110 on speedometer there. And they had these big old steering wheels too, because they didn't have power steering, so they had these big old steering wheels to turn these cars. Oh, that's a nice car there. Excuse me. Sit here beside it is another nice red car. Yeah. Got some good Firestone wheel tires on it. I want to say wheels, but they're tires, Firestone tires. And see this in here, if you can see, this one also has that big steering wheel. Yeah. Radio GT tires on the front. A couple of more cars to go through here at this car show. Here's another Chevrolet. This one's blue in color. I really don't like that kind of blue, but on this old cars right here, it looks good. But I'm not a fan of that color blue. That's what, a baby blue there. Check out these back fins almost here. Look at these wheel curtains or skirtings, or however some people may say covers. I was missing one on this side, but I would look inside here. Yeah, this one's got, you know, pretty good room in it too. Got the big steering wheel also. So yeah, that's nice cars here at this car show. Really nice cars. Here's the last car. This is a Mark M. This is a Mark III here. Continental. Got the rag top there. It's almost got the tail light fins here. See, this also has, the steering wheel is a little bit smaller, but it's still a big steering wheel. It's registered 120 and all. See, and these cars right here had the blinkers up here on the hood. I've never seen that before. I wonder if that's factory or if that's just custom that somebody done. That is awesome. Yeah, check out that big grill, the 4 headlights. Yeah, this is an awesome car here. It's Mark III Continental. All right, I figured there'd be more cars here at this car show, but there ain't. But that's all they brought out today. So since we couldn't fly, I thought I'd share this, go to this car show that they was having here in town. And also, we'll go back over here. House. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that button there, the red button. You know what it does. Support my channel there. Give me a like, give me a comment. So, alrighty. This is Drone Life. Y'all have a great afternoon. I'll see y'all later.